This is the latest ebook. Looks like it. The Pull Under with Pattern. Pull under, that sounds strange. Oh, now that's nice. I quite like that idea. So one is that a short version, or is it a one that goes under it? Can't go under a jumper, it's got to be short version. And a longer version, that's quite nice that. So let's go down and see what it says. It's called the Basic Pull Under. Slip over with V-line in 2 style lengths A and B. Let's go down. There it is. Oh, I see that one. The shorter version, you can have a split down the side. Like that. And the longer version obviously just has a small split down the side. Oh, that's quite nice that. I wonder what that will look like. And there's the pattern pieces. Interesting. Very interesting. You can't get what?
I can't get to this hole where it's rather gone.
Oh. Well, no, I think you've just got to get into the middle. You just got to get through that hole, through that gap into here.
And then I'll go back.
And go around that way, yeah.
That was weird.
It was weird. Now, where's your Christmas tree gone?
On the radiator to dry.
Oh, I see, right.
I've connected it with some glue.
Oh, she's put little stones on.
And I put some glue on.
And have you joined it together with glue as well?
Yeah.
Golly, you're very good, aren't you?
Before lunch.
Eh?
Before lunch.
You're full of cold as well, Missy. Full of cold. Well, I'm a bit annoyed because I put some bread out there and a squirrel came. The cat was going mad, and we've never had squirrels ever in the garden, and it was running along the fence top, and I was filming it, or I thought I was filming it, but I wasn't, was I, Indy?
No.
No. And then when I stopped, I said, oh, I'm not filming it at all.
Where's that squirrel gone?
Where's the squirrel gone? I don't know where the squirrel's gone to.
It might have gone to that house now.
Where is it? It's on the top. Oh, yes. It's almost a red squirrel on its face, isn't it?
No, it's definitely a grey.
We used to have loads of these at the back of where our workplace was, because there was a park, and there were loads of them. But it's the first time I've ever seen one here.
Yeah, that's the two of us.
She's watching. She says, "What's going on?" That little tail is wiggling. That little tail is wiggling. She must have fairly decent eyesight. I thought she was going blind, but you can see that. Can you see that, pussycat? Eh? That little bushy tail up there. Teasing you with that tail. Yes. What's it going to do? It's going to come down and get the bread. Is it coming down? Just watching. It might do. Cat's just staring at it, aren't you? Hey, pussycat. Pussycat, pussycat.
I think it hasn't started.
What can you say? Oh, it's there. Is it coming down? Is it coming down? Oh, it's going along the fence. Where's it going to? Where's it gone?
Is that?
Oh, it's climbing on there. It's going down on the table.
It's going. He's going to next door.
It's gone next door again. It's gone the other way, hasn't it, Pussycat? Yes. Yeah, have you had a bit of fun watching that squirrel?
So that means I won. Because 6 is bigger than 4. Is
Do
it?
you hear that, Grandad?
What?
She won because 6 is bigger than 4.
It is.
A 6-year-old's bigger than a 4-year-old, Grandad. Come on.
Yeah, but it's the one with the least points that wins.